Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amina Bashir. Yeah, I look like a monster like the other side, but you know, this side is slaying. I saw this picture and I liked it. Like I was like, wow. I mean, it doesn't look easy, but then I'll just try my best. Let me just try to recreate what she did. This is my first attempt and I think it was okay. I guess for me, it's alright. I've already done my brows and I've already primed my eyes, so I'm going to start with this. Oh, and this line is you get it at the end but it's just to make it easier for me to like just stick to one side because I'm just doing one side of makeup. So this is just to keep me concentrated on just this side. So I'm going to go with Huda Beauty. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next time, bye.